already sent me?
Yes.
From last night, you mean?
Yes, correct.
Oh, yeah, I've got that. I copied it off so I could read it without messing up.
Oh, okay.
I have that.
So, does it? Do you see like a review document button? So click that.
Yes. Oh, okay. My daughter can help me with that. You mean in order for me to go ahead and sign?
Yes, correct. That's correct.
You got that part done tonight at least?
Yes, that is. And then it's gonna send you back.
Tell my sisters yet.
It's gonna send you back a signed copy too, so you'll have that for your records. And we're gonna.
Okay, go ahead and find it. It's yesterday's. That's my daughter's looking. I got it on speakerphone. Home buyers. I think I have the stars. Hi, guys.
Sounds like you got some daughters and grandkids there.
Yeah, one of my grandkids.
Nice.
My littlest one.
Very nice. And you live up in. Oh, okay. Nice.
I have one daughter that lives up here, and my son-in-law and the baby. That's you.
And let me know if it pulls up there clearly.
Yeah, I got it open.
And it states real offer, right? Buyer, and then seller should state personal representative. Does it state that?
Yes.
Okay, you got.
And then real offer LLC.
Yes.
Limited liability.
Yes, so you got the right one. Just making sure.
Okay, yeah. Before you get going on it, we both noticed that you put my mom and my dad's name on it, and my dad's name is off of it. I don't know if it matters.
It was showing on there, so we match it to whatever the tax records say. So
if it needs to be taken off, that's before the end we can do that, right?
yes, yeah, they can. This is the preliminary agreement that gets sent there, and if they send the title report back and it says, hey, only is on there, then it's just going to be signed for that. But we do that as like I said, for hey, here's a possible scenario. That's what it's showing. Let's put that just in case.
Try your initial.
Okay, I think, and then it should email you back a copy. So what, just like I said, so I can be very thorough on the process, we're going to send it to the title company. The title company is going to send back to us like the title commitment, and that's going to show you probably your parents' name, and then they're going to ask for documents for like the personal representative. We're obviously going to further inspect the property. And you don't have to really do anything right at this moment. Like I said.
You don't have to go in there again, do you?
Well, I'm going to tell someone else to, luckily. So.
I don't blame you.
That. Yeah, and that's no worries. Like I said, we'll obviously take care of that. If an extension is needed, we'll just communicate that to you. Like I said, you can put your mind at ease. If like I said, the world burned down tomorrow, the absolute worst case scenario is that it didn't work out. There is no legality things that we're going to get into. There's no suing. So, when I heard you say that, like I said, I just wanted to hop on the phone right away to, know that's absolutely not a scenario that this will turn into. So.
Yeah, well, thank you for being so patient. That was nice. You've heard how I get today already.
Yeah, I get it. And, that's obviously a lot of, a lot of pressure for you with being the main person.
Who don't know a thing about it,
Yeah, well, we deal with these situations a lot, so I understand, when you have a bunch of siblings and decision makers, the actual making of the decision is a lot. So, I'm happy.
Yeah, they don't seem to get that. They always, one of them has something.
Right. Well, I'm happy, I'm happy you made it with us, and my goal is to, get this thing closed out for you. And, obviously there's a couple things we have to work through in the process. So we'll figure it out, the cat and the art situation. So, there's a couple hoops and hurdles we got to jump through. So, but we'll just take it one step at a time.
My 4 months isn't up yet to get the money. So, but everything else is done.
What do you mean by the 4 months?
You have to wait 4 months for the creditor thing through probate for the creditors to all be able to get back to me in case my mom owes money.
Oh, but you can still sell the house, right, and get the proceeds.
Right. Oh, I can. Yeah. I just can't touch the money yet, and that's why I was worried about Arthur.
Oh, okay. Well, have him send it to like. You could just move internationally and have them send it away there.
Yeah.
And then they. No, I'm kidding.
That'd be a nice thought.
Yeah, well, we definitely.
Everything I get though will still come from you, right? I won't get stuff from the estate or from the.
It's going to be done through the title company. So we drop the money off to the title company, and then the title company disperses it through them.
So they will be the ones that I deal with, or do I only have to deal with you?
Well, the title company, because they're going to, obviously do it all.
The ones that'll want the information that I need to show that I'm the representative and stuff.
Correct. Yes, to be like, hey, there's no funny business going on. Is who she says she is. She does have the right to sell it. Et cetera, et cetera.
Okay.
So that way, it's all done by the book. Essentially, it's not.
Okay. So I just watch my email, or they'll probably call me and.
They're gonna do an email and then probably call you at some point. You're probably not gonna hear anything for the next 4 to 7 days because we are gonna send it into them and then they're gonna start processing it.
Okay, great. Okay.
So either myself or another one of my team members will be in contact with you probably within the next week or so.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other questions or anything I can help with?
Not until midnight.
Okay.
When I'm laying there, I'm good. I talked to my daughter. I'm okay.
Okay, yeah. Like I said, I just want you guys to be all good there. So hopefully I helped out there, and then we'll figure it out from there. Okay. Likewise.
On you to watch my back. So.
Yes, that is the goal. Like I said, I mean.
I'll never hear the end of it if I do something wrong.
Like I said, I mean, I'd be lying if I told you I had I batted 1,000 and every single thing went as planned. But like I said, if the world burned down tomorrow, the worst case scenario that happens is that the deal doesn't work out, and there's nothing else that occurs. That's all.
What else do they need to go in and inspect for?
Well, we'll just have our contractor kind of get a scope of work on the trailer and stuff like that, and
be done to the trailer, or if you have to pull it out.
Correct. Yeah. So they'll look into that and then kind of go from there and
Okay, and then I'll hear from you again.
That's correct. Yes. So I will. I'll let you go there, and I will talk. We'll probably hear from you within the next week or so.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hey, thank you. Have a good night.
You too.
Bye.